Hey guys, it's Sandra, and today I have another video on the power lead system. And the power lead system is an all in one marketing system with step by step training to help you grow your business. If you don't have your own business, you can use this as your business. So from here, you can see we have this here is the getting started page, and you would start here, the click easy button. The next thing you would do is add your domain. Then next, you're going to add your picture. Here is the companies that you promote. This would be companies that other companies that you are promoting or that you have signed up with. You can add them into the back office and promote them along with the power lead system. And the first level is the gold level, and to become an affiliate is $53.97 a month, and you will get $20 commission for each person that signs up under you, plus 50% matching bonus. With the emerald level, this is a new level. I'm not quite signed up with it yet, but it's a lead generation academy system, and it is $105 a month, and you will receive $90 for each person that joins underneath you, joins with you. The next level is the diamond level, and this is the free ads secrets. It's $147 one-time fee, and you get $100 for each person that signs up under you for that. The platinum level is a one-time fee of $497, and you get $400 for each person that signs up under you. And the Master Traffic Institute, the elite level, is $1,497, a one-time fee, and you receive $1,000 for each person that joins underneath you. All of these are one-time fees: diamond level, platinum level, elite level. And when you once you complete each step, these will turn green. So I didn't complete this one, that's why it's red, but the rest of them I did complete. But when you complete all the steps, they will turn green. So then we have our email and section where you can send campaigns out. We have an autoresponder built in to the back office, so you can send out campaigns. You can add campaigns. You can view and edit your emails. We have virtual postcards. We have e-cards. We have email forwarding. Okay. We have the websites is the websites that you create. You'll find them here in this section, or the web pages that are already built into the system that you can copy and change it around and create it the way you would like to. We have the drag and drop editor. Excuse me. You can buy a domain here. You can transfer a domain. You can have sharing codes here. When you build your own funnel, you can share this funnel with your downline, and you can create a code so that they can have the same share funnel that you're using. The same funnel that you're using. You can add a Weber or Get response here to the back office if you want to, for your autoresponder. And here you have ways to promote your business. We have traffic generation online, offline, email swipe, hangouts, and live training. Okay. Contacts. This is where you contact the people this is your contact manager, the people that signed up underneath you. You'll find them here. You can add contacts. You can send reminders. So much more. And the training. This is a lot here for if you're a beginner, you can follow the training here, the training area. This shows you how to set up a funnel. It's a lot of training in the back office here for beginners. And as a gold member, which you should, a gold affiliate, which you should upgrade to as soon as possible, you get the endless free leads. This is Max Stein. Um, um, Max has given us this free with the gold membership. It's a $300 course, and it shows you how to do Facebook marketing, LinkedIn marketing, all Twitter marketing, all of the different social media sites. And this is the Lead Generation Academy. This is the second one here. That is the training for that one. And when you are, if you're in the green, and it's like I cannot access this, but I can access, when you are in the green, you can access the free ad secrets. You can access the Master Traffic Academy. You can access the Master Traffic Institute, which is the last one here. That's the Master Traffic Institute. With the gold membership, you also get the Road Map to Riches and the Power VIP Club, which is more lead and sales pages that you can use for your business. So, this will all help you to grow your business. If you don't have a business, you can just use this as your business. And if you're serious about making money and having tools that can help you grow your business, then this is for you. You can create unlimited sales and lead capture pages that brand you and your business, and plus we have an arsenal of tools and training right at your disposal. So go ahead and click the link below, and it will explain in detail more about the system, and you will learn how to make sales for your business or make sales with this system, and how to earn unlimited residual income and leads. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like if you like this video, and subscribe and hit that bell so that you can oh, I forgot to talk about the account. Okay, this is the part where you see where your commissions are earned and the prediction report. This is the prediction report as far as what you will be earning. The e-wallet is you will be able to access that when you make your first commission. Right? Okay, so don't forget to hit that bell so you will be notified of when I upload another video. Thank you for watching, and remember, you must hustle. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.